So hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to make a tic tac toe game in Notepad. So first open your Notepad. I just open it. Then type this code on your Notepad. Then click on File. Then click on Save As. Then select your folder, desktop document, downloads, etc. I just select on desktop. I recommend it select on desktop. Then give it name. I just give it name is Tic Tac Toe 2 and then last dot BAT. Dot BAT is the extension. Then click on save. The folder is on there. Click on this folder. Then the game is on here. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Like and subscribe.